Well, good morning, guys. It is Saturday morning, May 20th. Corvette show this morning at Waterside, Norfolk. Getting this girl all cleaned up. Got that guy cleaned up yesterday. Still soapy right now. Yeah, I'm gonna finish this, take a shower, get ready, and then actually my sister's fiance will be driving this guy today, and I'll be driving that. Hopefully meet one or two of you while I'm over there. And yeah, good day just farting around with Corvettes. All right, and we're off. It's definitely weird seeing someone else drive my Vette. You can see it behind me there. It's a good chance we're gonna lose a splitter today, but I'm okay with that. All right, this is nuts. Driving on a parking lot. I hope my C5 behind me's not stuck. This is hectic. As you can see, Norfolk Waterside. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Got them all set up here. So I've been here a few minutes. I've already ran into subscribers, which is pretty neat. People have been really curious about the C5Z. Which I don't blame them, it's cool. Yeah, we'll be walking around shortly, just getting a lot of cool videos of cars. Can report that the spoiler made it. It was a little dicey getting through the, what's this thing called? This, looks like it's a boardwalk thing. No, it made it. Gosh, car looks good. All right, legend has it, we've been told, a rumor that there's a C8Z over here. We're gonna check it out. All right, rumors are true, there is one here. That's the Arctic white. Thought it was ceramic, but this is the non-Z07 package, if I'm not mistaken. A very pretty car. Yeah, these rotors are freaking huge. I love that new Corvette smell. Yeah, very pretty car. Yeah, to a non-Corvette person, you would never know this is different than a C8, but the price tag difference is about 100K, which is pretty nuts. Very pretty car. Oh no, this is not the Arctic white. This is the 70th anniversary. This is the it's a special white. White. Yeah, I don't know what it is. It's more like a cream to it. It is a pretty car though. And so far there is one other C5Z right there. The gentleman came and talked to me. Really, really nice guy. Yeah, very pretty. Hopefully we can hear him start it before we take off today. Here's a C6Z. Kind of clever little wrap job right here. Makes it look dirty. I don't know if that's on purpose or not, but it's kind of funny. It's kind of cool. All right, there's about 65 Corvettes here on this boardwalk here. Any of them I find interesting, I'll kind of stop and talk about it. Awesome example of a C8R. I love this, very clean. I think this guy works near me because I see this car quite often. I could be wrong. If you're watching this video and it's your car, please let me know below. If you work at Portsmouth Naval. Gorgeous Z06. Love this color. Very well taken care of. Awesome ceramic brakes. Love it, love it, love it. Very clean. This is a very clean C4. I do love it. I actually like the chrome saw blade. It's pretty cool. Very, very clean. And it is a 6-speed. I don't know if you can see it. Very, very clean. Someone loves this car. It's really, really good. Oh, no way. This is a Rhode Island car? Wow, that's like 1 in 150 billion. This car right here, 63, probably the best car at the show. I talked to the owner for a little bit without even realizing it was his car. Gorgeous example. Look at the interior. I think it's flawless. So I was talking to John, the owner. Very, very nice guy. He watches the channel, which is awesome. And like me, my C5, my C8, I'm a little nervous to drive it. I believe he's a little nervous when he takes us out. I don't blame him. 63, they only made 1 year split window, which is gorgeous. Love it. Like I said, favorite car here so far. Oh shit, my car. Loving this badge, by the way. Oh, and this C6 actually has the same wheel woods I have. Pretty cool. Oh shit, my C8. Let's check it out.
I've only ridden in a Corvette. I was in the 80s.
Now, I love this shadow gray with the edge red, I believe, calipers. I'm really mad GM got rid of this color. I love this color. With these wheels, same wheels I have, the caliper color, perfect. Love it. Yeah, I don't know what GM's doing with getting rid of certain colors. And I wish they would bring the yellow back to Millennium Yellow. I love it. The car is gonna be on YouTube, Lori. Do you want to talk about the story, how we met? Yeah. Are you drunk enough? All right, here's a funny story. Here's a subscriber, Lori. She's a little shy, it's okay. Put a camera in someone's face, it's scary. So she drives a white C5 Corvette. About, what, 2 years ago?
14.
No, when I met you at Lowe's.
Oh, okay.
She's a little inebriated. She shouldn't be. She's at a car show. She's really not. So I was driving my Z06 to Lowe's, and I get out, and she says, I wish I was driving my Corvette today. And she was driving a Mini Cooper. And the funny part was that my other car is a Mini Cooper, and her other car is a C5 Corvette. Just the odds of that is just really funny. And then she was like, do you have a YouTube? And I was like, yeah. And we both lived in the same city, and it was just really funny. That was the first time I kind of got recognized. I was a tiny little baby channel then, and it was really cute.
See, and I thought you was already a big star.
No.
I was watching your YouTube channel.
Yeah, it's hard to get. It's hard to grow.
I didn't make
I'm getting there. I'm getting there. But no, it's really funny. I thought I'd share that story with you. But let me show you her car again. And she's got Borla on it. I love it. She hates this interior. I love this interior. It is so rare in a C5. What was it called again? The color?
Firehorn red.
Firehorn red. I've never seen this color in person. I think it's pretty neat. But she's over it. But it's her car. She can do what she wants. I'm loving these Rep Z06 wheels on the C8. This might be an idea, but I love my Spectre wheels. These are pretty slick though. Yeah, those are pretty cool. I do like those. And I believe they're the same size as factory, so it'd be easy to do. Very nice Z06 right here. Pair of ZR1s right here, gorgeous. This one's highly modified. Look at that blower, pulleys, everything done. Love it, love it. And here's a nice stock example. Gorgeous car, love this yellow. And I love how you could get the chrome wheels with the blue calipers from the factory. Absolutely love it. Gorgeous car. I talked to the owner, really cool guy. Very nice Stingray. I like the way this is done. I love these mag wheels. Gorgeous side pipes. I'm not a huge C3 fan, but this is done very, very well. Absolutely love it. Very, very gorgeous car. Oh, there's a Matrix Gray, ceramic Matrix Gray in a C7. Love it. Nice Grand Sports. Very, very fun color. Look who decided to show up. Idiot Sister showed up.
We're at Waterside Live.
It is really pretty.
In our Corvette show, and my Vette is here. My brother drove my Vette over today. I'm glad that he did it for me. I had to work earlier, so I'm glad that brought it for me. The other one, the one I gave him, is over here.
Wow, that was very nice of you.
Yeah.
You must have worked really hard.
I did. I did. I had a Mini that I let him
Wow.
have. Yeah.
Okay.
Drove all right. This one drove better. This one I do care for. However, I do miss the power in this one a bit
Yeah.
more.
Well, this one's got more.
Yeah, it feels like
This one, that one feels faster to me.
This one feels faster.
Yeah.
100%.
Yeah.
This one is, it's so easy to drive, it takes away the sport.
All right, the wife should be here in a second. She's ferrying on over. We're in Norfolk. We live over there in Portsmouth. Over there. And then, yeah, we'll say hi in a second. Look who showed up. What'd you get? I love it. You want to look at some Corvettes with mommy? Say hi.
Hey.
You're on YouTube again. He had the top off earlier. It's the 06.
Now, it's gotta get a picture of me in it too. Thanks, Bob.
I'm gonna put it back.
Is that nice?
Trying to take pictures. He's trying to take some videos. Yeah, he's trying to get videos. Oh, he's 30 left. At 39, it's 39 apparently. I said, was that your age?